Hey guys, thanks for tuning in to another video on ForgottenWeapons.com. I'm Ian McCollum, and today I am joined by Mr. Matthew Moss, who, well, we'll talk in just a moment about what you run, but Matt Moss is someone that you ought to be taking a look at, both on YouTube and on the internet in general, because he's doing some really cool content. So, what is it that you do?
Well, I run HistoricalFirearms.info, which is a blog and website, but I also run the Armourers Bench, which is a multimedia project where we look at interesting firearms or interesting military history, and what we basically do is we'll make a video and then we'll accompany that with an article which is about as in-depth as I can possibly make. Basically, that's the goal.
So like Ivor Johnson's 22 gallery rifles and stuff?
I haven't covered that yet, but I will literally loop around whatever I like. So I've done videos on obscure World War I American tanks, like the Ford model 1918, purely from archival footage because I found it and I thought this is fascinating. And then I've done videos on things like the HKG-11 and lots of different things like the Curtis rifle, which is probably the first repeating bullpup. Anything that really interests me, I'll tend to gravitate towards it, and then I'll dig deep, find the information, video together, basically.
All right, very cool. So, best place for people to find you?
The best place for people to find me is ArmourersBench.com.
Okay.
I'm also on Instagram and Facebook, and also Reddit and Ninja. So,
and
spread it out.
YouTube?
And YouTube, of course. Well, yeah, there you go.
So what's the channel name on YouTube?
The channel name on YouTube is the Armourers Bench, and that's Armourer with a U because we're British.
Spelled wrong.
I'm spelling it wrong, and I know that. But
you probably spell aluminium too.
I do. I said aluminium to someone the other day while I'm over here, and they were like,
"You're one of them foreigners."
Yeah. So yeah, my friend Vic Tuff, who's a mutual friend, we started the channel about 2 years ago. And we basically thought we can do videos, and then what we want to do is back it up with an article. And I come from an academic background. I have a master's in military history. So what I wanted to do was I wanted to do a video which is authoritative as possible, but also engaging, because video is by far, as you know, the most engaging way of getting information to people.
Yeah.
But my training as a historian was always to write and research. So I think it's important to have something solid next to the video. And also, if things change and we learn more about a firearm or an object or whatever we're covering, we can't go back and edit the video because that's the nature of the beast with YouTube and videos. So what the blog allows me to do is I can put like a note in or an edit into the article and say that we've learned more since then. This is it. And I've done that on a couple of occasions. And then I'll go back and put a little note in the description of the video and say, we know more now. So if you want to check that out, go and find the article.
All right. Well, Matt does some really cool content. And if you're interested in the sort of stuff that you see on Forgotten Weapons, there's a pretty good chance you'll be interested in what he's covering as well. So I have a link to his channel down in the description text below. Check it out. And thanks for watching.
Thanks, Ian. Appreciate it.